Hello there, Virgo sign. Welcome to your monthly reading. This reading is for the month of October. Love reading for all the Virgos out there. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. So Virgo, hindi lahat ng Virgo makaresonate sa reading na to. So takes what resonates and leave the rest. Cross-watchers, pwedeng kayo at hindi sila Virgo sign. So put yourself in a situation kung saan kayo nakaresonate. Virgo, if hindi kayo naka-resonate sa reading na to, please do check your other placements, your sun, your moon, your rising, your Venus sign. Dahil pwedeng doon kayo maka-resonate. Kahit naka-resonate kayo sa reading na to, Virgo, you still do check your other placement because pwedeng makontinue doon yung reading ninyo. However, maka-resonate pa din kayo. So, Virgo, let's start. Anong kailangan nyo malaman this month of October? So, let's see. Oops. Anong nangyayari ngayon, Virgo, sa love life ninyo? Medyo late na ako actually sa reading of October, but I hope I'm still not. I'm so busy with my personal reading talaga. Okay, Virgo. Anong nangyayari ngayon? Decision. Pag-aayos. So, Virgo, may nangyayari ngayon sa relationship ninyo ng pag-aayos. A new beginning. Bale, nakapag-decision na talaga. It's either you, your person, or both of you. Meron kayong communication ngayon ng person nyo. I think this is what you have been waiting for. This person really did move forward towards with you. And this time, may communication kayong dalawa because this person take the leap of faith towards a new beginning with you, Leo. And wanted na to show you na magiging matured enough na siya in your relationship to give you loyalty and sincerity and to give you that stable relationship this time. So, nagkaayos kayo ngayon, Leo. So, you might be dealing here with Aries, Sagittarius, Leo, Capricorn sign is also here. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. But, let's see what happened sa inyo recently or before. Virgo. What happened? Okay. So, this person, may mga hindi siya sinabi sa'yo before. Tinago niya to sa'yo. You are asking this person already, pero hindi niya lang sinasabi sa'yo. Like, this person is like, giving you parang mixed signals. You know, and every time nagtatanong ka, hindi niya ganun ka sinasagot ng maayos yung tanong mo. And paminsan hindi niya pinapansin yung mga ganong mga bagay because he is hiding something and don't want you to know about this. So, until sa nawasa kayong dalawa. So, might be meron kayo magandang relationship before talaga. Ang ganda ng relationship ninyo or it's either committed kayo sa isa't isa. Meron ding pagmamahalan talaga sa inyo before. So, until sa point na you felt, Virgo, na parang there is something wrong. My person is hiding something from me. Okay, so, I can see here that there is really a parang panloloko na nangyari dito. Betrayals. Parang you felt parang sinaksak ka sa likod ng person mo unexpectedly, bakit ginawa niya to sa akin, parang ganon. This person have offered you like victory, goes together. This person also shows you parang this person is moving forward towards with you talaga. Until sa point na dahan-dahan kayong nawawasak na dalawa, dahan-dahan until sa nagkaroon kayo ng separation ng person na to. Because of betrayals, okay? So, parang Virgo before, nandun ka na sa point of, this person wanted to come back to you before, pero nakapag-decide ka na mag-move on muna. Maging single muna, mag-move on muna. Pero this time around, Virgo, meron kayong pag-aayos ngayon, Virgo, this present situation. So, let's see about your person's feelings towards you. Okay, so if you want a personal reading with me, please do check my Facebook page, Dark Angels Intuitions, of course, with the same cover photo, with the same profile pictures, because meron ako mga scammers, so really take care, be aware of scammers. So just message me in my Facebook page. Meron pa akong available sa October, but I'm not sure kasi madami din nag-avail. So please don't forget as well to follow and like my page. Thank you. So what is your person's feelings towards with you, Virgo? So you might be dealing here with, as I said, Aries, Sagittarius, Leo, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or may Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces sa chart nyo na malakas. Okay? So, the feeling of your person here, Virgo, alam mo ng lahat. So, hindi ka na inosente sa mga nangyayari sa relasyon ninyo, sa mga nangyari sa inyo recently. So, you know already. And alam din ng person mo, like feeling niya that you are observing. You're observing the situation kahit na nagkabalikan na kayo. So, hindi na pwedeng maging easy-go-lucky na siya this time. Hindi na pwedeng ganun. Kaya nga ginagawa niya yung responsibility niya talaga sa'yo bilang boyfriend niya ba, bilang asawa ba. So, kasi nagsisi din siya sa mga nangyari. Honestly, totoo to. Naramdaman niya to. Naramdaman niya yung pagsisisi sa mga nangyari sa inyo. So, whatever you are, maybe you are married or not, or just in a live-in partner, so, nagsisi talaga siya. Nalungkot siya sa mga nangyari sa inyo. Kaya pinipilit niya talaga dito na gampanan yung responsibility niya this time. And kasi alam niya na din, parang hindi ko na pwedeng maloko, gawing tanga to si Virgo this time. Kasi this time nakikita niya talaga sa'yo, nararamdaman niya sa'yo na every move you are observing. Parang ganun. So, willing din siya ipaglaban. Kahit ganito ka na this time, willing ka pa din niya ipaglaban. Kasi of course, mahal ka niya. See? The Lover's card is here. So, of course, ang dami niyo nang pinagdaanan siguro ng taong ito. Kaya, ikaw at ikaw pa din yung pipiliin niya kahit ganito. Kasalanan niya din naman and he meant that. Alam niya yun. And gusto niya talaga na ng changes talaga this time. Though he is not sure. Hindi siya sure about na mabalik pa ba kayo sa dati. Pero, andun siya sa point na nakapag-decide kasi talaga siya. Kahit patanggapin mo man siya or hindi, ma-appreciate mo man or hindi, yung pagbabalikan ninyo, gagawin niyang lahat para maayos kayo. So, tingnan natin dito yung feelings mo towards this person, Virgo. So, baka malakas din yung Pisces sa placement niyo, Virgo, okay? So, check your placements. You might be dealing here with Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. Mostly, ang nakita ko, Aquarius. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. So, what is your feeling here, Virgo? Nagkaroon talaga sa'yo dito ng awakening, Virgo. kahit pa tinanggap mo man siya ulit, kahit nagkaayos kayo ngayon, Virgo, you are still also not sure about mabalik pa ba kayo sa dati. Same as your person do. Ganon din yung naramdaman niya. Kasi nandun ka na sa point that na-awaken ka na eh. Noong time na naghiwalay kayo, nagkaroon ka ng, nag-soul searching ka dito, you find the enlightenment of your life. You find, hinahanap mo yung sarili mo for short. So, nahanap mo siya. Like, nagkaroon dito ng spiritual awakening sa'yo. Parang na-realize mo something that I need to show my worth this time. Hindi na ako dapat maging tanga-tanga same as before. Dapat this time magiging matalino ako in every move sa relationship namin ngayon. Kailangan nakafocus ako. Because you also still want na maging fair this time. Dapat gusto mo, yung feeling mo dito, you want a justice, whatever is happening. Gusto mo kasi, bakit mo siya tinanggap? Kasi gusto mo to prove that you are worth it. Gusto mong ipagmukha sa kanya na deserving ka and worth it ka, kaya bumalik ka sa akin. Parang ganun. I mean, yun, kaya bumalik siya sa'yo. Yun yung gusto mo ipakita sa kanya. Baka malakas din yung Libra sign sa chart ninyo, Virgo. So, check your placement, okay? Libra Moon. Yung nakita ko agad yung Libra Moon. So, yun. And also as well, kung meron kayong family, I mean, if you are a family, kung meron kayong responsibility like children or a child, gusto mo din na para din yun sa kanila. Kaya nakipagbalikan ka. Isa din yung paraan if you have, okay? Kasi naghintay ka din, however, ng enlightenment dito. So, ano yung kailangan nyo malaman this month of October, Virgo? This month of October for the Virgo people, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Ano kailangan nyo malaman this month of October? Okay, got it. Okay, so na-miss nyo isa't isa this month of October. Magpaplano kayo about life, about your family, about yung mga plano nyo dati na gusto nyo ibalik ulit yun. Parang ganun. You really have this communication, pagbabalikan talaga. Feeling ko this month of October, mababalik nyo yung parang mga memories ninyo. Nami-miss nyo isa't isa. So, let's see more about the outcome of this reading. Okay. Hindi ko masasabi pero maganda yung reading ng Virgo sign this October. Yeah, they will really going to have a new beginning sa inyo even in the near future for the outcome of this. Ang ganda. This person really going to change. Maasahan mo siyang magiging maayos na talaga this time. May balik kayo sa dati. Happiness, joy, your sparks together. This is what you have been waiting for. There's a lot of efforts ako nakita dito. Of course, hindi mawawala sa inyo yung pains, yung memories from the past, pero nakakayanan kasi na ipaglaban ninyo talaga. So, Capricorn sign is here, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So, I'm going to pull an oracle card for you guys. This oracle card is a message from your angels. So, pwede mag-connect to sa reading niyo. Pwede din namang just a message for you. From Angel Bethany. When you take excellent care of yourself, everybody benefits. Give yourself a relaxing treat today, such as massage, sea salt, bath, or pedicure. So, you need rest. You need a self-care this time. So, parang, you don't have to worry about, parang ganon, You need to celebrate a Virgo sign this time. Parang siguro napagdaanan mo nung time, nakita ko kasi dito sa past mo na nag-decide ka na kahit bumalik yung person mo, pero nag-decide ka talaga na mag-move on muna talaga, na mag-isa muna talaga to reach your goals. We wanted this space talaga. So, siguro that time, nagkaroon ka talaga ng time sa sarili mo. So, and ito yung sabi ng Angel Bethany, that when you take excellent care of yourself, so you have been there, so everybody benefits because this person came back when the right person came back. So this could included as the right person. So ito yung nakuha mo sa pag-prioritize mo sa sarili mo. That is my reading for you, Virgo. Thank you and God bless.